Hi everybody, it's Brad back again with another video. For this video I'm going to teach you how to create and also split a design for the Enterprise 10 needle machine in EmbroideryWorks Everyday. So what you're going to end up with at the end of this video is something that looks like this, although you're going to have to supply your own corner designs. So go through your design library and find one that is a corner, so a single design that makes one corner is what we want to start with. So I just brought this up so you'd see what the eventual goal is going to be for this project, and I'm going to delete it now. I just hold Control A to select everything and press the delete key. It's one way to just clear out everything that's on the screen. So the first step when you open up your EmbroideryWorks is you have to select what hoop you're going to use so that it knows that it's going to split this design. And the way you do that is you go up to your Preferences tab up here, little button on the menu, and in the default screen for this you want to make sure that you have multi-position hoop style selected and jumbo frame 14 by 14 selected. As you can see, I already have those things selected, but you need to select, if it's not already, multi-position and then jumbo frame 14 by 14, and then just press OK. And you'll see what I'm seeing here on my screen. The next step is you have to open your corner design that you're going to use. So you need to know where you have that saved. So go up to File and Open. Navigate to wherever your folder is that has the designs that you're going to use, and select your corner and just press Open. And that'll bring our design up into the design field, and what I want to do is just left click on it and drag it up into the upper right hand corner of my design field. Actually make it a little bit bigger first, and to do that just left click and drag on one of these bottom corner handles. Either one will work, not the one in the middle, because that'll stretch it out. See how that stretched it out without changing the width? You don't want to do that. So undo is up here. I'm going to undo my mistake, and I'll place my design in the corner where I want it to sew out. So I'm visualizing my large 14 by 14 hoop and where I want this to be. And maybe I do want to stretch it out a little bit so that it meets towards the middle when I finish it. You can experiment with it and play with the positioning of this all you like. But now we're going to make a copy of this and paste it on the other side so that we have the top part of our design. What we're going to do is right click, choose copy, right click again, and choose paste. Okay, now it's pasted it in the exact same place as our original. So what we want to do is mirror image this one. If we look over here in our object tree, we've got the two designs. We want to select the second design and then move over to your toolbar up here, and you want to flip this design horizontally. And see what it's done is it's actually mirror imaged the design. And then I'm going to left click and drag on my flipped design, left click and drag it over until I've got it just about even with the other one. And if you want to make absolutely sure that they're totally even, you can go and highlight the whole thing. This button right here, Align and Distribute, left click on that. Select Top and hit Apply. And that has actually moved up my right one up a little tiny bit so that they're perfectly aligned. So if I've just done that, then I will have both of my corners highlighted. If you accidentally clicked off, like I just did right there, click and drag a box around them until you see the handles all the way around both of them. Next, we're going to copy again. So right click, copy, and then again right click and paste. And then you're going to mirror image, or you're going to flip rather vertically, which is up here on the toolbar. And I'm going to take these, left click and drag them down, and line them up with my other ones. Then I'm gonna, now I want to select everything again. So the whole assembly that I've made is now selected. And what I want to do now is make this as big as possible so that it still fits in the hoop. I'm going to hit the Fit to Hoop button. There. Now that's as big as I can sew this out and still have it sew out in one hooping. So that's it. I've created my design. Now, to split this design, it's as simple as saving it, because the program knows that you want to create a split design here. It actually won't let you do anything else. As long as you have the multi-position hoop selected, when you go to File and Save As, the result is going to be the split design, and it tells you that right here where it says split design. It prenames the file name split design. I usually rename them to describe what they are, so that if I have multiple ones, they're all different names. So I'm going to call this leaf border. And save. And then you can put it on your removable disk on your flash drive, which I'm going to do a video very soon, probably tomorrow sometime, on how to put embroidery designs onto your flash drive when they're saved on your computer. But anyway, when you take this design, and it will be a single design, even though it's a split design, for the Enterprise, it uses a single design that has the split data in it. So you're not looking for two different files here. And you put that on the machine, and then the machine will deal with the information that tells it how to split it. You don't have to worry about using two files. So anyway, that's how you would create a nice big 14 by 14 frame and how to split it. And then you can go sew it out yourself. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.